enthusiasts on tenterhooks by giving the latest update on its historic SpaceX mission. This Sunday morning, as India is waking up to the news of SpaceX satellites making a trial attempt of reaching very close to each other right before the process of docking begins. And the satellite that are 15 meters close to each other, then as close as 3 meters in this trial attempt. And beautiful photographs that have now been taken of each other, the ones that we get you on your screens right now. These are the latest photographs of the satellites which are now being shared this morning by ISRO as well, informing everyone that they have moved the spacecrafts back to a safe distance and the docking process will be done after analyzing the further data. So these are the pictures now that has been shared this morning by ISRO itself, saying that as far as the docking update is concerned, the SpaceX satellites holding position at just 50 meters from each other, capturing stunning photos and videos of each other as well. So they came as close to 15 meters and 3 meters, capturing photos and videos of each other, indicating that they came in such close proximity and is also maintained when it comes to precise relative positioning. Now, this seems to be a critical and an extremely crucial step when it comes to docking process that demonstrates further when it comes to the satellites that have achieved the necessary control and also coordination for docking. And if all of the systems such as navigation, when we call the docking mechanisms, they are functioning as planned by ISRO, then SpaceX can attempt docking anytime soon, depending on the mission timeline and also on the objectives as well. So putting out those pictures once again, this early morning update that is now being shared by ISRO, the SpaceX satellites are holding position at just 15 meters from each other, capturing stunning photos and videos of each other. This is a milestone that confirms that the satellites are ready for the next phase, which indeed could be docking. So till the meantime, we are also looking at how ISRO will finalize and the data as well. And that is when it comes to the next step that would be taken in, because as far as the docking process is known, viewers, it's been delayed twice. It's a highly anticipated move by the space docking experiment, which is known as SpaceX, which involves 2 satellites that might be happening very soon, as ISRO, or the Indian Space Research Organization, said that the 2 satellites launched for the mission were closing in for an exciting handshake. And this seems to be, as far as the pictures that have now been shared, not just pictures, even videos that have been shared on a post on X, where ISRO has shared as far as the 2 satellites are concerned, which is Chaser and the other one is Target. They are just 15 meters apart from each other and currently are moving at good pace. They are in a good condition. At 15 meters, we see each other clearer and clearer. Earlier, they were just 50 feet away for an exciting handshake. That is what the post said on part of ISRO as well. And they were just getting closer. And this is around this morning, 6 a.m., when we are looking at this latest update that has been shared by ISRO, sharing a stunning photo and video of SpaceX satellites capturing each other, holding position at just 15 meters. So ISRO already, we know, has postponed the ambitious mission when it comes to the docking twice already, citing that there were certain issues arising from excess drift between the satellites. The first attempt for the first docking mission that was originally scheduled for the 7th of January, then later it was rescheduled to the 9th of January. Let's get in a word from Imran, who is joining us. Imran, this is getting exciting. Of course, pictures and videos that are now being shared on part of both satellites.
Well, absolutely. In fact, this is a breaking good news, a good Sunday morning there, where the ISRO has said that the latest update the SpaceX mission. But there is the development also is coming up as far as the docking is concerned. The docking exercise unlikely to be done today is what we'll be getting the information. The satellites have come very close. They have collected very crucial data. But completing the process won't be completed today is what ISRO sources are informing us.
All right, but the pictures that have also been shared of each other, I mean, you know, looking at it, it's exciting. Explaining it also is something that we talk about as far as this mission altogether is concerned. And that would make India the 4th country in the world to achieve a feat, Imran, which is essential for expanding future deep space exploratory missions.
Absolutely, that's right. as we speak on Sunday morning, where the docking and berthing of spacecraft is the fourth country to doing it. It's an important mission as far as the ISRO is concerned, and we're getting a positive so far. The development, the ISRO is informing us of the SpaceX mission is concerned. The satellites have come very 15 meters close to each other, and on the close 3 meters in this trial attempt. And the stunning photographs have been released by the ISRO about it, and it's a very, very important achievement as far as ISRO is concerned. And the important part of docking this process is concerned, that they say that the ISRO scientists have informed that they will be updating it, but it is unlikely to happen today. But they have collected very, very important, crucial data, and but the process will take some time to complete the entire process.
Of course, after that, we are looking at once again the docking attempt that is likely to be made, but this is a critical update that we are looking at. I mean, Imran, to understand what exactly is 15 meters, barely 15 meters, that we take a look, but this is not happening on Earth, this is happening in space. And to maintain that kind of, precise movement and complex technology, because this is where it gets crucial as far as India's future space missions are also concerned, like the Bharti Antariksh Station and landing an astronaut on the moon. Of course, it gets exciting from here on.
Well, absolutely, it's an important process. It's an extremely extreme step as far as the docking process is concerned. It has to have all systems such as navigation, attitude control, and docking mechanisms need to function as planned. So all this is minutely being observed by the scientists at ISRO, and docking can happen any moment. But they're saying that the mission right now which has come very close, has collected all the crucial information, data, and they say that this will be a milestone as far as the ISRO is concerned, which could lead to many next phase. Now, the next phase only docking is left, but it will happen. But the ISRO scientists say they're unlikely to happen today, but probably tomorrow. But all these satellites have come very close. They have collected very crucial data, and now the only part left is to complete the entire process.
So let's talk about what this mission is all about. As far as the SpaceX is concerned, it is aimed at developing and demonstrating crucial technology that is actually required to dock and to undock spacecrafts in space, and is also crucial for India's lunar missions, like India's manned mission to moon, which is Gaganyaan, sample return from the moon, and also when it comes to building and operation of the planned BAS, which is the Bharti Antariksh Station. So how important and how would, important or crucial it would be, Imran, because we are keeping our fingers crossed here literally for this mission to be successful?
Well, SpaceX, for general viewers, is a very, very it's important the experiment by the ISRO. It's called a SpaceX, a space docking experiment. It's a twin satellite mission developed by the Indian Space Research Organization. It's looking at applications in human space flight, in-space satellite servicing, and other proximity operations. So the SpaceX consists of two modified IMS satellites, each weighing 220 kilograms, one acting as chaser, another being a target. Both were launched as co-passengers by from ISRO at the Satish Dhawan Space Center. Now, the docking experiment is very, very important, crucial, and now the ISRO satellites have come 15 meters and 3 meters of orbits, and now they say that the docking operation is the last thing left. Now they've collected all the crucial information data to do the docking, and with this, India will be the fourth country in the world to achieve this milestone.
Oh, absolutely. We are there as far as the space mission is also concerned, backing our scientists. This is an unimaginable feat that soon ISRO would be also taking up. Mr. Manish Purohit is with us here on the broadcast. Good morning to you, sir. How exciting is this update that has now been shared on part of ISRO?
Good morning, and it's really amazing that ISRO has brought the spacecraft so close, up to the 3-meter distance, and then well within controlled maneuvers, they have again moved them back. So probably after studying all the data and analyzing all the situation, we might expect anytime soon that we may get the good news that docking has been done. And probably, I think, this will be a very, very big moment to begin this year with, because docking is very, very important for all the upcoming missions of India. Whether we call it Chandrayaan-4, we call Bharti Antariksh Station, they all need docking to be done in the space. So it's a great moment for India right now.
And owing to its small size and mass, I mean, SpaceX is even more challenging because of the finer precision, Mr. Purohit, that is required for the rendezvous and the, docking maneuvers compared to docking of two large spacecrafts.
Yeah, actually, this means the target is a smaller size. So when the target is a smaller size, then you need more precision and accuracy. So actually, we can look at it in a way that first time we have been implementing the algorithms and we have been implementing the whole suite of sensors for rendezvous and docking, and we are just there. So it's amazing. It's a goosebump moments for right now.
Absolutely. The high-resolution cameras are sending us such clear pictures as well from space. Thank you very much, Mr. Purohit, for joining in. Of course, this is exciting times as far as ISRO is concerned, because this mission, which is the space docking experiment or SpaceX, would make India the 4th country in the world to achieve a feat which is essential for expanding our future deep space exploratory missions as well. Thank you very much, Imran. We'll be keeping our eye out on the developments and the updates that are now shared by ISRO. In the meantime, we head into a short break.